The people of Constantinople may keep their possessions. There will be no looting. In return, you will open the gates of the city and kiss the hands of our Sultan. Sultan Mehmed will be the one ruler of the Romans.
Today I'm doing a video with the sole intent of showing birds flying over my heads. So I'm driving home and I got my camera going. I just missed one. One just flew directly over my head. I have the understanding inside me that I have a raisin head, and that raisin head is chief. And the reason why Indians have chief Indians that wear feathers over their heads is because they had this knowledge. And the birds would pick out who was chief amongst the Indians. And the bird would fly directly over its head. No man taught me this. I didn't Google none of this. This is just the understanding I have. There's a rapper by the name of Lil Wayne. He has a manager at the time, and still is. We call him Bird Man. He goes by the Bird Man. And now Allah revealed to me that I'm from Fort Wayne, and I am really the Bird Man, and that birds know me. There was once upon a time when I was in an altercation and I just started praying, and the person that I was in an altercation with recognized a bird on the wall, not me. I pointed to it because I started praying, and it was a shadow. So as you can see, I'm driving home. You're going to see it. You're going to see these birds do this. This is no coincidence. This is no time and chance. None of this. Birds know me. I'm going to tell you what you're going to see. You're going to see a bigger bird, and you're going to see a small bird. Small birds and big birds both fly directly over me. Notice all these cars, it's all of us. We're all driving. So out of all of us driving, let's see who's the birds going to single out. Mind you, I got cars behind me too. Cars behind me too. We live in a time where we lack knowledge. And so an experiment like this, somebody might think I'm crazy. But I'm gonna prove to you, I'm the Bird Man. I'm chief. All the celebrities see the cerebellum, the dot, from Indiana. That's why Ind is inside of Hindu or India. That Bandy is going into Almaty. Their Bendy, that red dot, is going into Almaty. I had a daughter that had a sty eye 2 times, and Allah revealed to me that that sty eye was because of me being the dot. See, Daquant, the dot. Just like right now, the president of the United States is what? The dot. Donald Trump. Same initials, DT. Those are my initials. I am San. S-A-N. That equals 34. I'm the only one who knows Allah. Allah equals 34. That's his real name. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to get into the city. So we're going to be seeing some birds. Yep, there it is. There go the bird. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? There it is. There it is. Out of all these cars, it comes to me. I told you. They do this. Out of all the cars, it's going to come to my Hyundai, get it, Tucson. I'm the sun. S-A-N, I'm the sun. This is seen in the story of Joseph. Joseph said the sun and the stars all paid homage to him. They all did obeisance to him. This is exactly what the birds are doing. And I didn't see it, but it was flying right along the side of my vehicle. Now we get in the city, and I'm going to show you. See, you don't deal with real people that got real prophecy, because the people you deal with don't deal with Allah directly. Now, Allah uses us all blindly. We all are used blindly. Everyone. Even me. I'm the guided one. I'm always blindly guided. But then what happens is I get the revelation. I get things revealed to me that you don't get revealed to you, such as the end, 2034. Only a genius could predict 2034 is the end. Okay? And Allah gave me that revelation. And it's all through the Bible, the Quran, and in the Book of the Mormon. Now let's keep going. Let's see if we can pay attention to some more birds. They're going to fly directly over me. Okay? They coming for me. All right, let's pay attention. Let's pay attention. I remember one day Allah told me, as I was getting ready to do a broadcast, what are you going to do when the bird lands on you? And I told him, I will prostrate before my creator. Now I got the camera tilted. Look. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? They coming directly over my head. I just told you. I told you. They do this. They coming for me. They like, this guy is somebody that's been here. We know this guy. They coming directly for me. This man is chief. There go more birds. Look, there's more birds. Look, they all already feel me. Soon as I come in the area, they finna come by my vehicle right now. Watch. I'ma keep straight. I'ma keep straight. Look, it's coming. Where's it? Look, where's it going? Where's it going? Directly over Daiquant. Directly over Daiquant. They come to let you know who is the man, who is the president of the world. Whoever is chief, another one just did it. They do this all the time. I remember at work, one flew so close, I thought it was gonna land on me, and it glided and it hovered. Lil Wayne is not the real Lil Wayne. For one, Lil Wayne bigger than me. I'm the real Lil Wayne. I'm the real Bird Man. There's my name right there. My name's everywhere. I'm Ali. That's saying Ali, the brother that was on Lily Street. That's gonna take apart the Kaaba. And you see the trophy is on the window. And that's the girl. Allah has given me the daughter of women. He's given me the daughter of Edom. Allah has given me the influence over the white woman. He's given me the influence over women because I'm Al Mahdi. Now let me back up a little bit so we can get some more birds because they are coming. They are coming. I don't know why I got this on. Turn that off. Where's my damn... Let's get some more birds. There they go. There it is. I ain't worried about these windshield wipers. I'm trying to show y'all what I'm talking about. Look, that bird is following me. Look, that bird is following me. It's coming to let me know. It's coming to let me know I'm chief. What? Y'all got in for a treat today. This bird will not do this to you. It will not. These birds will not do this to you. These birds do this to me because I have the raisin head. Now I was finna go home. I could have just pulled up home, but I want to keep going. I want to go down this street right here and bust a left. I want to go down here to this big street and get some more birds. Now, what's amazing is this has been happening my whole life and I didn't know. This is the reason why I had so much favor with people. People notice the light on me. People notice things about me. I've been slow, now I'm catching up. All right, let's hit this street one more time and then we can cut it off. Because I've already showed you so many signs already. Allah says, I will make for you a bird made out of clay. Okay? Notice these birds on the wire right now. There's birds on the wire right now. There's birds on the wire right now. Look, look, look. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? They do this with me. They do this with Al Mahdi, man. I'm about to bust a Yui. I'm about to bust a Yui. Watch this. I'm gonna bust a Yui. Because the little birds, they do it really good. They do it really good. Let me go straight this way and see what happens. Boop! I told you. Now watch this big one. Watch how it glides over me. Boom! They do this. They do this with Al Mahdi, man. Now I'm gonna hit the block and go home. And I bet you I get one more. At least. Right there. Right there. Directly over me. Look, look. It's right there. It's flying right there. Right there. Now let's go this way. Let's do this again. Look. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. Know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna go straight. Watch this. You know why? Because Al Mahdi's in the building, y'all. I told you. Al Mahdi's in the building. Al Mahdi's in the building. I just told you. I told you they're gonna do it again. I just told you. Look, and it's still gliding. It's still gliding. Still gliding. Wow. And there it is. Look, y'all. Look, look, look straight up. There it is. I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you. I told you they do this with Al Mahdi. Al Mahdi's in the building. These birds are like, okay, he is chief. I don't know who that nigga is, but that nigga is chief. That's exactly what these birds is telling you. And there go another one. As I'm pulling up. As I'm pulling up, look. As I'm pulling up. As I'm pulling up, y'all, look. As I'm pulling up home. The bird right in the middle of the street. Again. Look. They do this with Al Mahdi, y'all. They do this with Al Mahdi. They do this with Al Mahdi. Look, look. Directly. Again. Right there in the alley. They do this with Al Mahdi. Okay? Let me park my car. I'm at the house. They do this with Al Mahdi. Now let's get it right here as I'm walking. I'm gonna walk. Watch a bird come directly over my head. Yep, boom. I told you. See those birds right there? One just did as soon as I came out. They gonna do it again, watch. These birds know who I am, and my own people don't even know who I am. The birds know I'm Al Mahdi. The birds know I'm Al Mahdi. And my own people do not even know I'm Al Mahdi, except Jennifer. Except Jennifer. And Patrick. Oh, I got followers on, I got a few followers. A few. We slim. I got about 3 people that know who Al Mahdi is. Off top. That share my stuff. That share my stuff. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm finna turn around. Once I get further enough, go to the other side of the street and let you see the bird. This is why I have a song on my album. I'm throwing up the bird. All right, so now, look, they're already there. The birds identify me. The birds identify me, man. They identify Al Mahdi, watch. All praises is due to Allah. Look, the birds identify Al Mahdi. Look, directly over my head. I told you. Directly over my head. I told you. I told you. Look, he just flew. He just flew. He said, there go the chief. There go the chief. Look, they like, there go the chief. Look, there go the chief. Look, directly over my head. This guy is chief. That's what they trying to tell you. Now, there's going to come times in the future when it's going to be on a larger magnitude in front of the world. I'm going to do air shows with these birds. Assalamu alaikum to my brothers and sisters who are in the truth. Hold on, let me let y'all see my cats. See? Another one, another miracle. Another miracle, y'all. I'm not making this stuff up. Another bird just flew directly over my head, if y'all seen that. Look. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? They going directly over my head. Directly. I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. They say this man is chief. He is chief. He's chief. Assalamu alaikum to my brothers and sisters in the truth. What y'all badasses doing?
All praises is due to Allah. Islamic scholars are blind. They have no idea that Al Mahdi is here and that Al Mahdi is black. Now, the secret of Al Mahdi's success is that he knows the end. Allah lengthened the day for me because he loves me. I am the man whom Allah loves. Muhammad did not own that name. That was my name. The Prophet Muhammad is only a servant, and I am the real Al Mahdi. Now, how can you spell end? You can spell it E-N-D, and you can also spell it I-N-D. I am the dot. You see that right there in the middle? I am the dot. I am in the middle of the eyebrows of those who are in Hinduism. I am those who worship in Buddhism. I am here. I'm the dot. And I know the end. 2034 is the end. Allah's name is 34.